Okay, today for your e-learning math assignment, you received this worksheet yesterday, so make sure you get it out. And if you don't have it, I still have a copy you can get on the Canvas module for today. All you have to do is click on it and download it, and then make sure you show all your work for all these problems. So you have your name at the top, and we're going to start by multiplying some decimals and whole numbers like we practiced in class yesterday. So let's go ahead and set each problem up with the longest one on top. So 0.5 is longer than 2, so I'll put it on top. Just helps me stay organized. 0.4 is longer than 3. 0.25 is longer than 2. 0.17 is longer than 3. So there we go. And now we're going to do two of these together. All right, we're going to do this one together and this one together. And then you need to do 2 and 4 by yourself. So we'll start with 5 times 2 would be 10. You'll carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And if you look, the decimal skipped over one time, so I need to bring my decimal over one space, so the answer is 1, or 1.0. Now let's go on to number 3. Start by multiplying the 2 times the 5, which is 10. Carry your 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Then we have 2 times 0 is 0. Now let's count how many times the decimal skipped over. 2 times. So you need to skip your decimal all the way over there. So we have the answer is 0 and 50 hundredths, or you could just say 50 hundredths. Okay, both of these do by yourself. When you're ready, go ahead and push play again, and I'll show you how to do the last few problems. For number 9, all the way down to 13, you need to be using these supplies over here to find out how much Philip spent at the student bookstore. So I think the best use would be addition probably, and you have a ton of space here to show your work. Okay, so let's try the first one together. If he bought 2 pencils and 2 erasers, well, I see pencils are 30 cents. So I'm going to put 30 cents, and there's 2 of them. So you remember from yesterday when we reviewed decimals, we have to line up our decimals like buttons. And then 2 erasers, those are only 5 cents each. So 0.05 and 0.05. So now we have our problem lined up for number 1. Go ahead and start by adding the digits all the way to the right, the hundredths place. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry your 1. Now add your tenths place. That would be 7. Now bring those buttons straight down, the decimals. Now you have 0 right there. So the total cost for this purchase would be 70 cents. Put your dollar sign first, 0.70. The other way you could do it is say 70 cents, right? So that's how you're going to solve 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now, as you see, when you get to the bigger ones, like 4 markers, you're going to have a lot more to add up. 2 erasers and 1 protractor. Okay? So maybe we'll try number 12 together, since that one's kind of longer. So I'll put number 12 right next to this. I don't know why I said number 1. That was actually number 9, wasn't it? So for number 12, 4 markers. Well, each marker is 80 cents. Then we have 2 erasers, 5 cents. Make sure you're copying down this too. And 1 protractor, which is 65 cents. Let's double check. Do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items? That's right, because they're purchasing 7 items for number 12. Start by adding all these digits, 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, and 5. That'd be 15. carry your 1. Ooh, 8 times 4, there's 4 8s. That's 32, plus 1 is 33, plus 6. That's 39. So you'll put a 9 down here, carry your 3. And 3 plus all those zeros is just 3. Don't forget, bring your decimals straight down when you're adding and subtracting decimals. So the answer for number 12 is $3.95. Make sure your dollar sign goes in front of the 3. And you have your decimal there. Finish number 10, 11, and 13 all on your own. Don't leave them blank. Take a picture and submit it right there to Canvas.